In this video, you'll learn how to enable color correction on your Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold. Now, color correction simply applies a filter to your screen, allowing you to use it according to your preferences. So now the first step is to open Settings and then scroll and select the option Accessibility. Under Accessibility, tap on Vision Enhancements and then scroll down and select Color Correction. From here, to turn it on, just tap on the toggle like so, and immediately a filter will be applied to your screen. Now, if you want to change the color of the filter, you can choose between four options. You have Deuton, you have Proton, you have Triton, and you have Grayscale. And with each selection you make, you can be able to tell there's a different kind of filter applied to your screen. You can also choose to either increase or decrease the intensity of the filter according to your preferences. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.